maraming mali. Baka may maraming krimen that for all of the successes and mali o ano, I and I alone take full legal, moral responsibility. Yan ang iniiwan ko.
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up, and if possible, they can come here and start the investigation tomorrow. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal, ma'am, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. So I'm asking the ICC through you na magpunta na sila dito bukas, umpisahan na nila ang investigation. Ano man ang kasalanan ko na ginawa ko man ang lahat sa panahon ko para...
Duterte has repeatedly encouraged police to kill drug-related criminals, which has resulted in widespread human rights abuses and extrajudicial killings. No one knows how many have died. Official government figures claim that there have been about 8,600 drug war-related killings since July 2016, but rights groups say it's closer to about 27,000 people.
Masakit po sa amin. Kaya nga po sabi ko nga, sino ba bumoto sa presidente natin na wala naman pong puso? Kailangan pa dumaan po sa dahas. Lahat ng bagay dadaan po ba sa dahas? Hindi naman po kailangan dahas. Marami naman pong paraan para masumpo yung bagay na droga.